is required by the law enforcement people. They have to be treated medically if they're hurt or if they are complaining of injury, and it's a very difficult endeavor.
Your reaction, Randy, we're watching live. I don't know how well you can see it from your vantage point, but we're watching live as we're seeing objects being thrown from protesters down onto the freeway where officers are staged. What does this look like to you?
Well, in my point of view, the there should be officers deployed that take those individuals into custody and charge them with the felony crimes that they should be charged with. And anybody that interferes with those arrests, they need to go as well. It's time. It's time to dropping objects onto police officers is simply something that should not be acceptable. And I'm telling you that somebody's going to be somebody is going to be taking a live round if they're trying to kill a cop. It's going to happen, and this is a situation that really needs to be handled and needs to be handled quickly and efficiently.
And those are rocks. We see a number of good-sized rocks down there on the freeway. At least one back windshield looks to me to be smashed in. A number of those officers, what does it look like to you? Does it look like they might be gathered where they are simply so that they can be underneath the overpass and out of harm's way for any projectiles that may come down at them?
Yes, that's
look
exactly.
like they're in proximity to them, though.
Yeah, that is why they're under the overpass. Is to protect them from being pummeled by a large object. But and here's the thing: police can't and won't use deadly force in a situation involving property damage. That is not something that's in the rule book here. It would have to be them facing physical danger from death or serious bodily injury. That's the criteria.
Looks like they're moving, and if you can, watch this live. This is viewer discretion advised. We don't exactly know what's going to happen here, but if you can, walk us through what you're seeing. What does it look like these officers? It looks like they're trying to get out from underneath the overpass, perhaps move away from the debris that are being thrown down at them at this point.
Well, it appears that they're using some low lethality rounds to shoot above where the objects are being thrown from. They're clearly being deployed to do something, but I don't know what that something is.
And always important to mention, too, that the video journalists down on the ground recording every second of this, it's a very important job, and we saw this person duck down. As soon as we saw the less than lethal rounds starting to be used, we saw a number of those videographers taking cover. So, Lieutenant Randy Sutton, we thank you for being generous with your time this evening. Take care. We'll keep an eye on the situation.
Well, one thing I would like to add before we take leave here, and that is for any of the officers who have been hurt here. If you've been hurt physically, remember the Wounded Blue is there for you. Go to thewoundedblue.org. Reach out for help. We will be there for you 24/7.
Randy, we appreciate you. Take care.
Thank you.